Are you striving to elevate your brand to new heights? Pondering how to make your business stand out in a crowded marketplace? Then you've stumbled upon the right place. Give life to your brand with Share to Scale, your one-stop solution for all business branding needs. We make your brand shine by infusing it with clarity, consistency, relevance, and engagement. Our mission is to breathe life into your brand strategy, transforming concepts into tangible realities. We help you navigate the complex world of branding, making it as simple as a walk in the park. How do we do that? It's a process, a journey we embark on together. We start by designing your brand. By developing the visual and verbal foundations of your brand, we ensure your business has a distinctive and memorable presence. Next comes your brand logo and identity. Your logo is the face of your business, and we make sure it communicates precisely who you are and what you stand for. Then we help you craft brand guidelines. Deciding on colors and fonts that make your brand unique and meaningful is no small task, but don't worry, we've got your back. We don't stop there, we also create your brochures, flyers, and even business cards. Need a sleek business card? Consider it done. And what about promotional material for your social media posts? Yes, we design that too. But what about video marketing? Well, we've got you covered. With Share to Scale, all your brand marketing needs are met under one roof. So why not streamline your efforts and focus on what you love, building your business? Start your journey with Share to Scale brand marketing today. Share to Scale, where your brand comes to life.